Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This question is from 2017 May June, question number 2, and statement is a particle travel in a straight line with a speed v. A particle slow down and change its direction. The new speed of a particle is v by 2. The velocity has a component v by 4 in the same direction as initial path of the particle. Through which angle has the particle turned? Okay. So what we assume, suppose that a particle, let's suppose this is a particle, it's moving in a straight line with a speed v. Look, this statement, the last statement, that through which angle has the particle turned, it means this statement gives you a help, like definitely the particle change its path. So this change in path is as compared to its original position. So you consider this is the initial condition of a particle. This is initial condition, this one. So what is the next condition? Examiner mentioned that in the second line that particles slow down and change its direction. So what we assume that obviously this is the position of particle, obviously this is the speed v of the particle, because we need to find at which angle the particle change its direction. So we assume that this is the direction at which particle change its direction. Suppose, so this angle theta is our required angle, and the new speed of the particle is v by 2. So you consider this is the final state of the question. This is final state of the particle, sorry, not a question, it's a final state of a particle, and upper one is initial state or initial condition of a particle. Okay, now what we have to do, very simple, we will resolve the vector into its component. I will resolve this vector into its component, and according to the resolution of vectors, theta side component is cos component and opposite component is sine component, right? So vector's name is v by 2, so obviously this component will be v by 2 cos theta, and this component is v by 2 sine theta. V by 2 sine theta. Now move to the statement of the question once again. It is said that the new velocity has a component v by 4 in same direction. So this is the same direction, original direction, and examiner said that new velocity has a component v by 2 in same direction as initial path. So this was the initial path. So according to given condition, I can write that v by 2 cos of theta is equal to v by 4. This is given inside the question. Mean the new component has a velocity v by 4 in same direction as initial. So we can compare these two, and from this you can see that this v and this v is cancelled, to 1 time, to 2 time. So I get that cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. We need the theta angle at which the angle is turned. So theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2. Use your calculator and you will get the answer 60 degrees. So if you check from this picture, you will see that D is the correct answer. Option number D is your correct answer. Thank you so much for watching this video.